another video. To all of our new subscribers, I'm Chloe.
And I'm Jacob. And
we have been travelling for 6 months since May, and we are on a backpacking journey. We don't know how long we're backpacking for, but yeah, this is us. We are in Hoi An and we have come on a cooking class. So yeah, we're going to bring you guys along with us, and then we are going to go to the what's the basket thing called again?
Basket ride.
Oh, it's called a basket ride. So yeah, we're going to go to that later on. So yeah, if you want to see what we get up to, then keep watching.
First of all, we're at a market to have a look at some ingredients, and I think we're going to get the ingredients for our cooking class. This is our guide for the day.
Yeah, that's a passion fruit. You didn't see one of them floating in your pool martini? Oh, is that a passion fruit?
Passion?
Yeah.
Mango.
Mango?
Yeah, I'm tour guide.
This morning I had a passion fruit that was this big. That's
Yeah.
passion fruit. It's mango, he said.
Mango.
No, that's a passion fruit.
No, mango. You don't believe me? I'm tour guide. I'm tour guide today. Outside for the mango you have.
Mango?
Passion fruit.
Right, let's have a bet.
And ginger. Ginger. Miss gone.
She's brunette, not ginger.
Yeah, ginger. Yeah, ginger.
Smells a bit like bleach, don't lie. Smells like... No, I don't.
Parsnip.
I think it's parsnip.
That's bloody massive.
I'm not sure what it is.
It's parsnip, that's what he said.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice.
Dạ anh cân thì cân thôi cậu ra. Cái thức là big.
Good.
Very good. Yeah.
No, okay, thanks.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Sweet?
Is it nice?
Sweet.
It's sweeter than it is hot, but it's
See?
quite warm.
That's how it. A lot.
Yeah, it's right that.
That's not for me.
Ooh la la.
Oh. Put hairs on your chest anyway.
Rambutan. Same lychee. Same lychee. Same lychee. Same lychee.
We have come to get all the ingredients for our cooking class. I think we're making spring rolls, making a salad, making some Vietnamese dishes.
Yeah, plum.
Our lovely tour guide.
Oh wow.
Yeah, plum.
Oh, shiny.
Plum.
Plum.
Yeah.
Ooh, they're tiny. Look at these oranges. They're so cute.
Try it. It's a plum.
Plum.
Yeah, eat it.
It looks furry. Tastes like apple.
No, plum. Careful.
But it tastes like apple. What's everyone thinking? Huh?
Rambutan.
Not think it tastes like apple?
Rambutan, not lychee.
It's got a ghastly texture.
Yeah.
It's got a weird texture to it, I don't know.
Tastes like I'm eating a soap.
Soap?
Sponge.
A sponge?
Yeah.
Yeah, get that thing.
Not really my thing. Yeah, I'm not wowed.
No.
It's not very sweet, is it? It tastes like a bland apple.
An unripe adaptation of chili though.
Yeah.
Well, one of us.
What are these?
Basically like a lychee.
Basic like a lychee. I'm meant to eat all.
You had them before out? Never had them?
Mm.
Literally like a whole time we've been in Asia, they've just all we've eaten.
They're like gooey.
Don't bite through the pit.
It's like a lychee but sweeter.
Yeah.
I mean, it's more sour.
Got a seed inside.
And the first day we got to Bangkok, we went to this place, and I think
Well, it's got a seed inside. First time I ever ate one of these in Thailand.
Straight
I
through
bit through it.
Yeah, we both bit through it, and they were like laughing, like no.
There we go. Look, you can see the seed. So meant to eat round the seed. There's the seed.
Now you eat everything.
Yeah, I ate it. It's nice. I like it.
Let's see. No, eat.
Not eat the seed.
Oh, apparently you can eat the seed.
Oh, it's good.
Source of protein.
Said it was sugar.
That was sugar.
I don't know.
I thought it was a bit.
We have not good English.
He was like, this is sugar cane. Should have known.
Salty.
Bad man.
Yeah, bad man. I should have known. Look at the size of the chunks. Like, it was salt. We all fell for it though, didn't we? But anyway, back to shopping on the market. Wow, this is the first time I've seen cauliflower since leaving the UK. Really? Yeah, literally.
And the garlic that on.
It's good for mosquitoes, right?
This is the amount of garlic that we're getting for our cooking class.
We're obviously trying to keep the vampires away.
Trying to make garlic bread.
Garlic bread.
Garlic bread, yeah.
Good job, I absolutely love garlic.
One type of garlic
Yeah.
bread, yeah?
Bread, yeah.
It's very crazy to see the markets here and how different it is compared to, well, the UK obviously, but like just how even the meat, like the butchers is literally just like the meat's just laid out on cardboard and a lady was just sleeping with her feet on the chopping board. But to be honest, everything looks really fresh and everything like that. Like all the veg and everything looks really fresh. But
I think you'd be put in prison if you serve food like that in the UK.
yeah,
To be honest.
yeah, it's definitely been shut down. But yeah, now we've finished all of our shopping and now we're just going to walk back and then we're going to get started on the cooking class. I know that we're making a salad with like bananas and I know we're making like a spring roll, but I'm not sure what else we're making, but we'll film it all for you guys. But
I think it'd be good as well because obviously we've been in Vietnam for like 2.5, 3 weeks and we still don't really know like what Vietnam food is good. Like obviously with Thai food, most people know Thai red curry, Thai green curry.
yeah,
you know,
pad thai and
pad
stuff.
Thai, it's
Yeah.
just, like, quite common knowledge, but Vietnamese food isn't that common. So
Yeah, Jacob, like we're both very different. So Jacob has said that Vietnam is one of his best places for food, like on the whole like areas that we've like covered traveling. And for me, it has been probably my least favourite. So yeah, it's kind
I do
of
love,
big
like,
difference.
I do love like buffet food and they just bring it out and then you can just pick it.
Yeah. So anyway, let's go do some cooking. So we've arrived. It feels very peaceful apart from the dogs barking, but these are our little cooking stations, I'm guessing, and then where we're going to be eating. I think we're the only people here, so it's kind of a bit like our Chiang Mai cooking video if you guys watch that. But we have all like the ingredients and everything, and then I think they're going to bring some of the like the hot electric cooking things. What do you even call them? Hobs. How do I do it?
You down, come down. Sit down. Okay.
All the way. Little click.
Yeah.
Aww. Okay.
Yeah. And now you have a book for the 2 teaspoon oil, book Japan.
2 teaspoons of oil.
Yeah, 2 teaspoon oil.
Same, yeah?
Same, but different.
And what's going in now? What's going in now? This?
Chicken, yes. Yeah. 2 teaspoon oil continue.
Chloe's looks anemic. Mine's got like some nice colour to it.
Yeah, 2 oil continue.
I love how sweet it is. Oh yeah, but Jacob's has got a bit of a kick because he did use the rest of the spice in the bowl. Woo! It's gold.
Oh, don't use my chopsticks.
Soy sauce? Soy sauce? Soy sauce?
Mmm.
Soy sauce?
Not to be biased, but they're the best spring rolls I've ever had.
I don't think your elephant came.
The elephant did not work with the relevant aesthetic, but
Hmm?
oh, go on then. Shall I return the favour?
Well good.
Good? Oh, Oh, look at Jacob's little design.
Cute.
We're gonna eat now.
For everybody. One, two, three. Yeah. Ready, one.
Did you drop yours on the table?
It was just, there was a lot going on.
Okay, so this is what we're gonna go on. Hopefully we're not gonna end up in the bushes like they have. Okay, let's get in the basket. We've just tested out the drone some more. You may have just seen the footage.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Ready?
You did it like.
You breathe in or
Oh!
Let's go fishing.
Coconuts?
Is that coconut? Yeah. Coconut tree.
Are good? Are good? Oh. So we hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.